Class 9 students, this is the continuation of simultaneous equations from Concise Mathematics. Shelina Publisher, I am doing chapter 6D. This is the sum, very important sums. How to solve this kind of sum? See, the question is 9 by x minus 4 by y equal to 8, 13 by x plus 7 by y equal to 101. That means the variables are there in the denominator. That's not a problem. It is 7, so multiply by 7. It is 4, so multiply second equation by 4. So 7 means this will be multiplied in the numerator, not in the denominator. Denominator will be as it is. So 7 9s are 63 by x is there. 4 7s are 28 by y is there. 7 8s are 56. Now 4 will be multiplied in the numerator. 13 4s are 52 by x. 7 4s are 28 by y, and it is 404. Now see, this is opposite sign, so if you add this will cut. Now 63 by x plus 52 by x separately I have written, and you add this one, you will get this. So x is LCM, 63 plus 52 is this. Now this means this by 1. If you cut this, it is 4. So 4x equal to 1 means x equal to 1 by 4. So this x equal to 1 by 4 you put in equation number 1. If you put x equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 4 will go up, that is 36, and 8 will come here, and 4 by y will go that side. So 28 equal to 4 by y, you do cut 7. So 7y equal to 1 means y equal to 1 by 7. So if you apply this technique, then the sum will be very easy. See this sum, here it is 6, so multiply by 6. Here it is 4, so equation 1 you multiply by 4. This one also you can do cancellation, 2 2s are 2 3s are. So you multiply first equation by 2, second equation by 3. So 2 means you multiply in the numerator only. So 4 2s are 8, then 6 2s are 12 by y, 15 2s are 30. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 by y, 3 7s are 21. Since it is plus and minus, so it will cut. Now 8 plus 9 will be 17, 30 plus 21 will be 51. 17 will go down, 3 is the answer. Now this 3 you put in equation number 2. In 1 also you can put, in 2 also you can put. Here I took equation 2. So 3 into value of x is 3, so put here. So 9, and 7 you take in the left hand side, see 7 is taken, so 2 equal to 4 by y. Now it will cut, 2 2s are, so y equal to 2. So this is the answer. Now question is that how to find a. So value of y and x you put 3 and 2, then you will get 3a, because 2 is coming this side 4, so a will come that side by 3. Now see, in that question I have not written here, see the book. I have considered 1 by 3x plus 4y equal to a, 1 by 3x minus 2y equal to b. Then the question is coming in this way. Then you make the coefficient equal, multiply, I am removing a, so 8.5 you multiply here, 34 you multiply there. Then do cancellation, 17 you multiply 17. So 17, sorry 8.5 multiply by 8.5, sorry 8.5 divide, cut by 8.5, so it will be 1, it will be 4. So 1 into this means this, 4 into this means this. Now see, this one equal on opposite side cut. So this one if you add this one if you add this. So 115 will go down, cut, it will get 1 by 5. Now 1 by 5 you put in equation number 1. Then you are getting a. Now see, value of a, this is the value of a you consider. So put it there, cross multiply, and you will get one equation. Similarly, value of 1 by 1 by 3x minus 2y equal to b you have considered. Cross multiply, you will get another equation. Now these two equation you solve, see 3x cut, you are getting the value of y. This value of y if you put here, you will get value of x. That's all. Now 7 part 2, see, first equation I divide by xy, then it is coming 1 by y, it is coming 1 by x equal to 7, and here also you divide by xy, every equation divide by xy. So here also by xy means minus 1, here 3 by x, here 2 by y. So this is equation number 1, this is 2. So 2 you write here. Now see, here 1 and here 3. So I multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 1. So 3 into 1 by y, that is 3 by y. 3 into 1 by x, that is 3 by x, equal to 3 7 is 21. And 1 into equation 2 means same equation will be there. Now see, plus minus cut, I have added. So this by this you do, this plus this you do. So 21 minus 1, it will be 20. So here it is coming 3 to the 5, 5 4 is 20, that is 4y equal to 1 means y equal to 1 by 4. Then in equation 1, that means this equation here, this equation you put the value of y, 1 by 4. So 1 by 1 by 4, it will be 4. 4 will go that side, 7 minus 4, it will be 3. That is 3x equal to y, cross multiply you do. So 3x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 3. That's all for this video.